In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Weebly online store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Weebly's official website. Once you arrive there, it's time to log in. You'll want to enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you should see your main dashboard, which is where we will be working from. Now, from your dashboard, look for the Overview section. This is where you can manage various settings for your online store. Among the options available, you're going to want to find the one that says Set up Domain. Go ahead and click on that. Great, you're now on the domain settings screen. Here, you'll see a button that says Connect or Transfer it now. Click on that button to initiate the connection of your custom domain. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. In the provided input field, type your full custom domain name. For example, let's say your store's name is My Online Shop. You would enter myonlineshop.com into the field. Once you've done that, it's time to link the domain to your online store. Look for the button that says Connect your domain and click on it. This step is crucial as it prompts Weebly to start linking your domain to your store officially. Now, if you happen to be on Weebly's free plan, you might hit a small snag at this point. Weebly will let you know that to use a custom domain, you need to upgrade to a paid subscription. If that's the case for you, no worries. Weebly will guide you through the process of selecting a paid plan. Simply follow the instructions they provide and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've completed the upgrade, if necessary, Weebly will finalize the linking of your domain. It might take a little time for the connection to become fully operational, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen instantly. Your custom domain could take a few minutes to propagate across the internet. And that's it. You've successfully connected your custom domain to your Weebly online store. You can now proudly share your website with customers, and they'll see your beautiful custom address when they visit. If you have any questions or run into any issues while completing this process, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Remember that connecting your domain is just one of the many steps to enhance your online presence. So whether you're excited to launch your new online store or simply ready to elevate your current one, connecting a custom domain is an important milestone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has simplified the process for you. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on growing